Hi, so this is a page about nature education. This is all about learning about nature. This is the home page, and included is a bunch of nice and neat pictures relating to nature. Then, up at the top, we have some columns that have different parts within them. So, next is the About page. Here is just a little bit of information about the site and what it all entails. It says this site is about nature. Teaching nature or even science can be a difficult thing. Nature is commonly referring to anything living or physically on the earth. To dive deeper into the concept, we have to discuss what science is. Science is knowledge, methods, and thinking. Now applying that into everyday life is what this site will help teach you. So, then next is activities. Learning even further. Throughout this page, we included some resources to help students gather even more information on what to do with everything and even science within the program. So there's a little page about living and non-living things, such as growing a plant, where animals live, distinguishing plants. Then there's a short little video about living and non-living things. And it's built for maybe kids to be growing in their knowledge. So, if you click on one of these, it takes you to a whole separate page with activities for kids to do, such as help plants grow. And then there's other plants like where animals live, so you have to do a little quiz for where animals live, and there's just a bunch of different tabs for that. Next, we go into the body system. It has a video about parts for the body, but for kids, so it's easy to understand. It has develop your senses and learn about your body. These tabs are the same as the ones from before, like these, for kids to help and learn and grow deeper into their knowledge of science and nature around them. Then there's a whole page about nature walks. This is something to talk more about your kids with in the classroom. Here is a video of a nature walk put on by Sesame Street, and it is a good way for parents to see what the kids are learning, and they also include some activities for kids to print off, so that way they can do these while they are out on their nature walk. Once they come back from a nature walk, I have included a survey, just a short little survey, to see how many kids either do the nature walk or have paid attention on their nature walk. And then down below there's an article for parents, which is just in case they are wondering a little bit more about why nature is so important for kids to learn these days. Next, we have the worksheets. In this slide, we have just a bunch of worksheets for other students to print off. That way they can grow further into their knowledge. So there's different ones about animals or about the words and different parts of the earth, like the deserts. Then there's a crossword puzzle or a word sheet. Then there's a senses page, just a little bit more to help with understanding things. Next, we include a gallery. Within the gallery, there's just pictures and pictures and pictures about nature and science and everything that's on the planet. Then below is a photography site helpful for nature, and it has different pictures for students to get a better understanding of where everything is on the planet. Then the last page is questions, and this is just something for kids to submit to the teacher, so that way if they have any other questions that were not answered within this website, and they can just go straight to the questions page and ask the teacher, and hopefully the teacher will be able to answer it right away, or be able to include it in one of the tabs or make another tab for it to be easily recognizable for the students to understand. And this is the website for nature education. Thank you.